Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Oluchi here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this lovely hairdo, this curly updo on short hair / pixie hair. So here I've just washed my hair and it's clean, and to be honest I really need to trim my hair. So anyway, I just section out the updo area. So I section out the two sides, and basically I section out just like half of my hair, and then I pack the top part up. So this part right here on top is where I'll be fixing the ponytail. So I just section this out with a little comb. To lay the ponytail area very flat, I take this Lotta Body Control Me Edge gel in the shade black. So it's a black sort of edge control or edge gel, whatever. So I just use this to, this is what I'll use to slick down my hair. So I just section the front part out and the side out a little, because these are the areas that I will use the hair gel to really lay it down. So this part right here in the center, I'll just take a hair bubble and tightly grip it. So I take a generous amount of edge gel and then I apply this in front of my hair. Basically I just use this to cover the entire hair, these areas that are shooting up like that, and then I go in with a little comb to blend it really in to make everything smooth. I really like this gel because first of all it's black, and then if if you have the areas on your head that it's the hair is thinning out a bit, it just sort of camouflages it and makes your hairline look full. So I just take this edge gel or hair gel, and then I apply it all around the ponytail. Did I say the ponytail? All around the area. Oh my goodness, what's wrong with you, Oluchi? All around the area that I will be applying the ponytail. So I would use this to slick my hair to make it look snatched. So to make it even more sleek and to smoothen things out, I go in with this hairbrush and then I brush my hair till there's no strand of hair standing up. So I really like this edge gel, and to think that it was one of those cheap ones, I think I got it for £2.99 for a cup. And then right here I go in with a little rubber band, black rubber band, and I secure my hair really tight with this rubber band. So the part that I'll secure is where I will be attaching the hair weave that will form my ponytail. So for this lower bit of the hair, I go in with this wrap mousse. This is from Cream of Nature. It's the foam wrap mousse, and then I apply it generously to the lower part of the hair. I just apply this generously before I style this part of the hair. And to be honest, I'm still learning how to create finger waves. I can't wait to be a pro in it, to create it effortlessly. But I must say that I tried. I'll just give myself a pat on the back because I really tried, because this is a struggle. Trust me, it looks very easy, but it's not as easy as it looks. So after the struggle, I go in with the Wrap It style strip, and then I use this to tie down my hair. That's the side that I did my my dodgy, questionable finger wave. So I just use this to tie down the bottom area of the hair, and I use about 4 of this wrap strips. And after tying it, securing this area, I take a scissors and then I cut off the excess this tail, this funny looking things hanging around. And then the next step is to go in with a bunch of old waves. This is a bunch of old waves that I've had for donkey years. So I don't even know, to be honest, I don't know what quantity it is, if it's 1 bundle, 1.5 bundles. And then I also grab this pack of bobby pins and then brush out the hair, unravel it, the weave, unravel it. Then I take a piece and then I wrap this securely around the packed little ponytail, my own natural hair that I packed. So I just wrap this round securely before I go in with the weft. So I'm just, this is going to be sort of detailed, so you just watch closely to see how I was able to achieve this style. So now I'm going in with the weft and I'm securely wrapping it round, and then like when I wrap it, I make sure I sort of detangle and then run my fingers through the weave. I don't just wrap it, you know, anyhow. I take my time, because if you do it anyhow, trust me, your hair will, you look like a crazy person. So I just take my time and then wrap it round, and then I go in with a bobby pin, some bobby pins to be precise, some bobby pins to secure the the end of the weft, the weave that I've just wrapped around my hair. Then I just checked it out and I decided to go in with another strip of hair. So at this point, I'm just taking the bobby pin and then attaching it to the weft and then securing it onto my hair, the bottom part of the previously wrapped weave, and then I'm doing the same process again. I'm just wrapping it round and round and round and round. So when I'm done with the entire wrapping, I go in with bobby pin and then I secure the areas that I feel that, you know, is a bit like loose, that I feel that isn't really secured onto my hair. So I just take as much bobby pins as possible to secure the weave, and then at this point I decide to go in and then brush out the hair, to untangle the hair, to make everything smooth just before I curl it. So before I begin to curl my hair, I take some piece of hair, some piece of the weave, and then I wrap this round the base. So what this does is that it would make my hair look, it will make the ponytail appear higher, look higher, and then look put together. It won't be discombobulated, it won't be all over the place. Taking some bobby pins, I just secure this area that I've just wrapped around the base area so that it doesn't unravel at any point until I'm ready to unravel it. And then at this point, I'm going to take my hair bit by bit, the weave bit by bit, and then curl. So I'm going to be curling my hair using a curling wand. I've had this curling wand for, I'm sure, maybe getting to 10 years, and it's served its purposes, but it has burned me so many times. So I always try to be careful when I burn myself. So I'm just like, you know, wrapping the pieces of hair around the curling wand, and just to make the curls last a bit long, I take got to be hairspray and then I spray on each of the hair that I curl. So basically when I curl it and then I unwrap it, then I take the got to be and then I spray it. This will help with the longevity of the curls. So I just do this on the entire ponytail, and then yeah, there we have it. We have our curly ponytail. So at this point I decide to open up the curls a bit, just to, you know, get my hair to have some volume. So I just use my fingers to open this up. I didn't want to use a brush or a comb. I just wanted the curls to still be defined, but to be fuller. So when I'm done doing this, I go in with what do you call it, yeah, the got to be spray, and then I spray the base just to make things look smooth and yeah, and pretty. And I'm loving the way the base is looking. Can you see the difference? Like, it looks really, everything looks put together. So at this point I just take some hair oil, that's it, Moroccan argan hair oil, and then I apply all over my entire hair because I just wanted the hair to have a bit of shine, and then I just brush the sides out a bit, and yeah, that's it. That's the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed doing this hairstyle. Trust me, I'm now really enjoying this, my short hair, my pixie cut. At some point I was considering growing out my hair, but I'm not going to do that. So if you love this video, if you like what you see, definitely subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, because trust me, I'm going to be bringing more videos like this for you guys. And yes, that has to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye.